Hello guys, how are you? Hope you're fine. Now welcome back to another latest update of the Siacoin. This video is gonna very special for all Siacoin holders. Watch this video before end of July, because in this video we are going to discuss the secret tips of the Siacoin in the July, my friends. But before starting this video, please click the subscribe button now for more news and updates videos about cryptocurrencies market. My friends, first of all, the latest price of the Siacoin in the market is 0.01 USD dollar. That is the current live price of the Siacoin in the market. And furthermore, my friends, the market cap, 24 hours trading volume, total supply, available supply of the Siacoin. Every update is present here about a Siacoin, but my friends, the main thing is that Siacoin is also a positive coin, but especially in the nowadays, the Siacoin increased the jumping rate. You can see, my friends, that the last 1 week, last 24 hours, and last 1 hour, changes occur in the Siacoin is positive, my friends. Why the changes occur in the Siacoin is positive? No, now. My friends, I also told you about these changes, my friends, and I know about these changes that the price changes will become very soon positive. Especially, my friends, remember that in the last half month, a lot of cryptocurrencies price will become positive in the last half month. So that is why I recommend for all of you that never sell any cryptocurrencies in the starting of month and in the ending of month. Never sell any cryptocurrencies, my friends. So now, my friends, it is the ending of month. I think that's why the changes of the Siacoin becomes positive. So now, my friends, from these price changes, that's clear about the Siacoin, that Siacoin will continue this kind of positive changes to the end of month. Siacoin will continue positive changes to the upcoming 1 week. 1 week, I'm sure about that. That to the coming 1 week, the changes of the Siacoin will continue this kind positive, my friends. So that's a profit opportunity for all of you, my friends. Buy now if you're a short-term investor. So buy now more Siacoin and make profit with the Siacoin. And if you are already a holder of the Siacoin, so I recommend for all of you to please hold to the end of July, my friends. But never do this mistake and never sell Siacoin before end of July. Anyways, remember that I'm not a financial advisor. If you want to buy, sell, or hold any cryptocurrency, so please do your own research. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe channel for more news and updates videos.